Hey, you guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am LaTersa Blakely here, and this is Living Your Best Life. If you stumble up across my channel, welcome. For those of you that have been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that link above and go ahead and subscribe so that you won't miss another video that I upload. I typically upload videos every week, so make sure you turn on that little bell notification so that you will not miss a new episode. So listen, today we're talking about 11 hacks that you need to know before starting your YouTube channel. And even if you've already started your YouTube channel, you can use some of these tips that I'm going to share with you today. So grab your glass of wine. Y'all know the routine. Grab your favorite notebook, pen, paper, whatever you use to write with. Sit back and relax because I'm going to share the goods. All right, so y'all know I always have my notebook ready. I'm ready and willing. So the first thing you want to do in order to start your YouTube channel, and I did a part 1, so if you missed part 1, and just look over my nail, I broke my nail today, but anyway, if you missed the part 1 on how to start your YouTube channel, go ahead and watch that one first and then come back to this one because I'm kind of going to dive deeper into what I was talking about in part 1. So the first thing you want to know is take your time to write out what you're going to say. Because if you're like me, if you don't jot down notes, you're going to be all over the place. If y'all can relate to that, write that down. Y'all see every time I do a video, I have my notes because that keeps me focused because my mind goes 100 miles per hour. And if I'm not looking at something or got something jotted down, honey, I will be all over the place. And then too, what you want to realize is when starting your YouTube channel, there's a lot of don't do this and don't do that. And here's what I want you to understand. In order for you to even have a YouTube channel, you're going to have to get started somewhere. If you look at some of my old videos, or better yet, I'm going to leave a link to my very first YouTube channel when I was doing diaper cakes. And you'll see the lighting wasn't all that great. I didn't have the best of equipment. And, you know, I roll with what the little camera that I used back then. So don't allow everything that somebody tells you, don't do this, don't do that. You got to start somewhere. And so at the end of the day, use what you have already in your hands until you can do better. So write down the things, write down your thoughts of what you want to say so that it can be a productive video. You don't want to be just rambling all over the place because I'm telling you, if I don't have my notes, I will be rambling all over the place. Okay. And then number 2 is use as much natural lighting as possible. Right now, it's gloomy here. It's raining, doing a lot of raining, and it's been raining all weekend. So I don't have my natural light today. So I had to use my lamp, and I don't have my ring light on because I just don't like that glare that it gives, that glare or whatever. But anyway, use as much natural lighting. And you can look at some of my older videos and see that it's real sunny and bright. If I catch the natural sunlight, it makes my videos pop. But on those days like today when it's raining, you have to use something like your ring light. And I'll post the tools and equipments that I talk about on this video. I'll post the link below this video. And then the next one is invest in a good microphone. And I have just recently ordered one, and I will put the link below this video to for you to use, because sometime on your phone, like, see, I record a lot from my phone. I have not invested yet in one of those $600 cameras because I always say, why fix something when it's not broken? Right now, my iPhone 11 is doing just fine. Well, iPhone 10RX or whatever you want to call this little phone that I got. But iPhone is doing right now, and I just don't really have the time to try to learn how to use one of those big fancy cameras and all that. Y'all know I use my money and spend my money wisely. So right now I'm still using my iPhone and it's working just fine. But I have invested in a microphone. And again, I will put the link below the microphone that I'm currently ordering that I will be using. And then the next tip is when you're on your YouTube channel, you know, you're looking to get your your first 100. I have not even yet made it there. So, but here's some few tips on how you can get your first 30 subscribers. Because I do have, I think, like 31 subscribers, but be consistent. Show up every week. Show up every time you say you're going to show up. And then talk about something that you're passionate about. That way you will never get tired of talking about it. And that's my next tip is talk about things that you love to talk about, that you're passionate about. Don't get on YouTube and be all over the place. I know at the beginning, you're still trying to figure out your niche. You're still trying to figure out your audience. But here's the thing. In the beginning, play around with different video titles. Play around with different topics that you like to talk about and see if that will draw in your audience. Because not all the time when you begin your channel, you don't know who your audience is. So you got to be very specific about the things that you love to talk about. Have 1 or 2 or 3 things that you love to talk about and do videos consistent on that. And you'll start to attract your audience to you as opposed to trying to narrow out your niche right away. Because I remember when I first started the channel that I had before this, that channel got hacked or something happened to it, but I talked a lot about self-care and mommy stuff, like how to balance work, life, and love, all that kind of stuff. But then as I got into it, my audience became like moms wanting to start a business, moms that wanted to look for legitimate work from home jobs. And that's pretty much a lot of what I talk about on this channel, but I mainly talk about inspiration, motivation, motivate you to live your best life, all while helping you to start your business or helping you to really take care of yourself mentally, spiritually, physically. So I talk a lot about hygiene, self-care type of stuff, how to level up mentally, how to take care of your body, how to keep fresh. I talk about those things on the channel. So make sure when you start your channel, you let your audience know by putting in your banner and I'm getting ready to get mine redone over, but what your topics are and how often do you post. That is what you want your audience to be able to determine when they first hit your channel. So when you're talking about things that you're passionate about, they can verify that when they look on your banner to see exactly what your channel is about. And then the next tip is use keywords in your title so that you'll become searchable. And I use this app, and I'll post the link below in this video, app called TubeBuddy. And it has been godsend because when you pay for the version, I think it's like $2.99 or $2.99 a month, or don't quote me on that. I'm gonna put it in the description, but I use the paid version. You can use the free version as well, but it limits you on the keywords that they give you. So you can explore different variations of keywords that you want to use. Say your stuff is about how to start a business. You type that in the tag explorer and it'll pull up various keywords that you can use. And make sure you put those keywords in the title because you want your channel to be searchable. And then too, at the very top in my description, I'll use some of those same keywords. That way, not only will it be in my title, it'll be in my description body, and also it'll be the tags that I use, because you want your channel to be searchable, but it won't be searchable if you're just using stuff like 8 ways to do whatever. Look up on TubeBuddy, or even just search in YouTube what you're trying to title, what you're trying to talk about in your video, and it'll come up with various titles and various videos that's been done, and you just put your different spin on it, your different take on it. And then the next thing is download the app's YouTube Studio. That is going to be where you can look at your channel analytics. You can tell what keywords or most people are most finding your channel. It's going to be very great information to help you figure out which videos do your audience like the best, which videos get the most comments on it, which videos get the most views. That will kind of lead you in the direction of what you need to do in order for your channel to grow, because you want your channel to grow. And these are some hacks that you can use to begin to grow and get more eyes on your videos. And then the next tip is the app that I use a lot to edit my videos. Because again, I don't really use my laptop per se just to edit my videos. I use my app. I do everything from my phone, you guys, because like I said, I'm a busy mompreneur. You know, I still work full-time outside the home, and I run my business too. So it's a lot going on, and my kids are now tweens now, so I'm constantly busy. So I do a lot of editing I do a lot of things from my phone. And one app that I use the most is called VivaVideo. Did I say that right? Yes. And you can get the paid version as well. And I think I went ahead and paid it up for the year, but it's great for editing, you guys. It has saved me a lot of time. And then I can just sit down where I'm sitting at and just edit from my phone. Sometimes I edit on my laptop, but most of the time, I'm just gonna be honest, I do it from my phone. And then the next thing you want to do, like I said, I always get ahead of myself. Make sure your banner states what your channel is about. It's nothing like coming to somebody's channel and you see a video that you love, but when you get to their channel, they don't tell you exactly what their channel is about. It will help people that are new coming to your site to see what your channel is about. And also do like a welcome 1 to 2 minute video and have that as your feature video for new subscribers that are coming to, new people that are coming to your channel, and give them like a little synopsis of what your channel is all about, how often you post. You can look at my channel and look at my welcome video or what have you. And then the next one is always lead with value. You want your channel to make a difference in somebody else's life. You want your channel to leave a lasting impression on somebody, because like I said, you never know what people are going through. You never know what type of person they are, but something on your video or something on your channel could really help the next person. So you want to make sure at the end of the day, you are leading with value. And then the next one is always look for ways to build your list. At the beginning of this video, in the description, you will see my free offer to you guys. If you guys are looking to start your business, I have a free guide. Even if you don't have any experience, a free downloadable guide is free to you. Very short, sweet, simple, to the point. My gift to you guys, because I want you to go into 2020 with your business already up and running. And you can do that. Even with these less days that we do have remaining in 2020, you can get started today. So make sure you click on the link in the description, get your free guide, and get started. And then also, I want you guys to understand that there are more ways that you can begin to make money from home. And one is by starting your YouTube channel. You know, you can begin to collaborate with other influencers. You can get sponsorships. You can even start to do Google AdSense once your channel. Now, here's the thing. Once your channel get up to 1,000 subscribers, and once it gets to 4,000 views in the last 24 months, then you'll become eligible to have your videos monetized. And that goes with you setting up a Google AdSense account. And I talk a lot about this in the first video, how to start your YouTube channel. So these are some of the things that I've learned, especially with this channel being as new as it is. This is not my first YouTube channel, but it's my third YouTube channel. And I've learned a lot over the years on how you can grow your channel. And like I said, being that this channel is fairly new, but I had a diaper cakes channel and I had another inspirational channel that got hacked, but that channel had like over 1,000 something subscribers. And I noticed some of the things that I was doing there is making sure you post consistently, making sure you add value in your videos. And then too, make sure in your description you're using all of your resources, because that's where you can build your business, because you're building your list and you're offering them your products and services. That's another way you can make money with YouTube. So don't just think that you only make money with YouTube with Google AdSense, because that's not true. If you have a business, you can post your links to your different products and services that's pertaining to that video that'll help you bring in income as well. And if you do like personal hygiene videos like I do, I'm always recommending products that I use to keep me fresh. You can use sites like Amazon Associates and have an affiliate link to those products that you're recommending. Now, here's the thing. When you're recommending products, please make sure if you're doing any type of affiliate marketing or affiliate links or anything. Make sure it's something you can stand firm on. Make sure it's something that you stand behind and that you believe in. Because don't just be promoting and giving out I'm losing my train of thought. Recommending products just so you can get a commission. Don't do that. Don't be that person that does that. When you recommend something, because your audience trusts you, just like you guys trust me, I would not recommend anything that I don't use personally myself. So I hope that this video helps you. I hope that I wasn't too long, you guys, but I want you guys to be successful with YouTube in 2020, not just YouTube. I want you to live your best life in 2020. And if something I said sparks just a little bit of curiosity or interest to get you going, then I've done what I'm supposed to do. And make sure you guys, you stay tuned, because I'm coming out with a brand new, all new content, Live Your Best Life program. Live Your Best Life Academy, which is coming out in 2020. So make sure you stay connected to this channel. Make sure you subscribe and get your freebie, free ebook that I got in the very top of this description, in the description box, so that you will be the first one to know when that academy launches, because we're going to help you get over your stumbling blocks. We're going to help you get past those things that have hurt you in the past, that has kept you paralyzed all these years. We're going to get nitty gritty so that you can be that confident, bold, happy-go-lucky woman that you were created to be in 2020. So stay tuned. So remember to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell for the notifications, because I do upload videos weekly. Make sure you head over to Instagram at LaTersa Speaks, and make sure you follow me there as well. But also just make sure you stay connected to me. Remember, you are absolutely enough, and everything you need, oh honey, it's already on the inside of you. God bless, and I will see you soon. Mwah.